Welcome back to a lecture series on digital image processing. In this lecture, we are now going to discuss about the demonstration of accuracy assessment. Supervised classification accuracy assessment, we are now going to do it in this demonstration through NVE, say digital image processing software. Accuracy assessment is the major factor, in the classification of the land use land cover or the classification of any of the work we do with satellite data. Accuracy assessment is the basic requisite, and this has to be very carefully carried out, so that what will happen, whatever the end result will be very perfect. In case if this is not done, accuracy assessment, the end result will not be of expected outcome. It should be more than 99%. Then only for writing a paper, for writing a thesis, for writing your dissertation in terms of PhD or MSc also, it requires quality outcome. Otherwise, what will happen? Our name will destroy. And here, in this context, accuracy assessment require two important things. One is the field data. Before doing interpretation, you surf your satellite data, open the data, make it FCC, and then see that I could be able to classify. Is it possible for me to classify 100%? In case if you feel that this is, I don't know, is it a barren land or is it a pediment, or then go back to your theory, go back to your field map, and go back to your other attributes if you have anything in the open sources. Otherwise, go to field before starting the supervised classification. So what will happen? This will improve the quality of the classification. Second, while doing, you can stop and go. Otherwise, also you can go to field after the classification. So we have to go to field. There we have to collect the ground truth data. Ground truth data, normally we used to say ground truth data or ground control data. So we have to go to, by using GPS, we have to take the readings, latitude, longitude, and then the name of the object. And then you have to prepare a XML file, and then that has to be changed into shape file, and then bring it in the image processing. That has to be correlated with the supervised output. If it is with 100% matching, no issue that your classification accuracy is 100%. Now people are not bothering about what kappa accuracy and other accuracies people have used, because that we are now moving slightly a little higher up of assessing the quality output of land use land cover classification. Here, the one ground truth data, if you are bringing XML file, and then now we are going to check how to check the ground truth data into your supervised classification. This is very, very important exercise, has to be done by all researcher working with the digital image processing for classification aspect. Now let us see how to do this. So you are opening the map. Once if you open the supervised classification output, you go to file. In the file, you open the ground truth data file, that is XML file which you have collected from the field and then converted into shape file. Yes, now I am taking ground truth data. It is in the XML document, and I am just opening the XML document, and it will come here. You just look at here. This is region of interest, agriculture, water body, and forest. This is the classification, agri, water, and forest. So this now I am going to check with this region of interest or ground truth data with the classified output, supervised classification output. We have 3 unclassified also, and then what you have to do, you have to select the confusion matrix using ground truth data. This you have to take it from the toolbox. You have to take it from the classification. So in the classification, you take post classification. The post classification, now you are taking confusion matrix using ground truth. Double click this. Automatically in the select input file, we will be getting the supervised classification data, and you select the supervised classification data. You will be getting all your file information of what is the datum used, what is the, those informations will come. Do you want to take full scene? This information also will come. Give OK. And once if you give OK, you will be getting 2 parameters. One is select ground truth region of interest, that is ROI. Do you want to work with only agri? Do you want to work with only forest, or water, or agri? You can take either one and one select, or you can select all together. You can select all together and verify, add one by one, water body to water, add combination, agriculture to add combination. And now you see, you have taken ground truth information of forest area has to be checked with the classification of forest. Is it matching or unmatching? If it is not matching, what is the percentage of not matching with respect to the data we have collected from the field? Similarly, water body we have taken from the field of latitude, longitude information, that has to be linked with water, has to be correlated with water. Similarly, for agriculture land to the agriculture land, and give OK. And in the confusion matter parameters, output confusion matter matrix, it will give you in terms of pixel and in terms of percent. Report accuracy assessment do you want? If you have to put yes, then only it will come, otherwise it will not come. Give OK. And once if you have given, this is the class confusion matrix. You will be getting the result like class confusion matrix. This is the area where this is saved. This is the overall accuracy 50%. The overall accuracy for the current study is 100%. The kappa coefficient is 1. You see, this is how the accuracy assessment is done. And you can check the ground truth data in terms of ground truth data and the other data. I'll just check here forest. It is for the ground truth pixels what I have collected from 19 locations, and water body 12 locations, and agriculture 19 locations. So this is being taken of 50 input is given with respect to ground truth pixels, and that is being correlated. Those pixels of 19 is correlated exactly with the forest, so it comes as 100%. Similarly, for the 12 pixels of water body, what I have assigned is classified exactly 100. Similarly, 100 in agriculture. Similarly, 100 in total. So the accuracy is 100%. That's why they put that accuracy is 100%. Similarly, class commission percent omission. This is what we used to take it for the discussion. So all this information is being taken, and then when you cross check this, it will come as 1. This is how we made the confusion matrix for the assessment of classification, supervised classification. This is highly required for the any sort of studies for the accuracy assessment. Now you can use this information for doing accuracy assessment in your study area. With this, the discussion on post classification accuracy assessment is come to an end. Thank you.